You do not have to be a graphic designer before you get this right. We are going to be using. So guys, let me ask you a simple question. Why are you here? Is it because you know the world rewards action, not excuses? You've seen people turning YouTube into an empire and you've decided it's time to play the game. But let's not waste time with the usual nonsense. You want results and I'm here to deliver. So this is straight to the point. And today, I'm showing you how to set up a YouTube channel in 2025. No fluff, no boring backstory, just the exact steps you need to hit the ground running. And if you think this is just about starting a channel, you are wrong. This is about building leverage, creating impact, and setting yourself apart in a world full of mediocrity. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to start a channel, you will know how to own the platform. And stick with me, and let's get to work. So, what I will use to create this channel is something different. But take a look at this. From our previous video, we created a Gmail and that landed us right here. So if you happen not to be here, I'll advise you go back to our previous video and I will add a link to the description of this video. You can check below to find it. So go back, watch that and meet us right here. But if you think you are good to go with Gmail creation, beautiful, this is the next place you're coming to. Type youtube.com into your browser and then you are right here. Now, being the first time, creating a Gmail to enter into YouTube. So you're going to have this kind of interface. So don't think it is funny or strange, no. There is something called algorithm. An algorithm is the one trying to figure out the kind of content that you like. If you stay tuned on this very channel, you're going to understand everything you need to know about the algorithm. But for now, scrap that. Let's get to the point. Now, to create a YouTube channel, you have to possess some certain things. And those things are actually important, or else you are going to be creating a crappy YouTube channel that has no thumbnail, so no picture, no logo, no banners. So to avoid that, this is going to take you through the process of editing. And the point is, you don't have to be an editor, you do not have to be a graphic designer before you get this right. We are going to be using strictly AI to fix this. Now, let's get started. Firstly, I attach a PDF file to the description below. So go there and download it. So, to automate this with AI, what you need to do is to open a new browser right here and search ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So you send. After sending that, you can actually click on the first link, but not to stress yourself. Click on the second that has some kind of white logo and not black like the one you're looking at here. Click on this, ChatGPT. Now, what you want to do is you tell GPT to suggest channel names for you. You need something of such, a channel name, and this depends on what you plan to do. But I am trying to create a channel that surrounds how to teach people to improve their growth on YouTube. So let's say you are trying to create something similar to, you can just type create 5 or 10 best YouTube channel name for, let's say you want to go for motivation. Motivation. So send. Now, the first one is rise and thrive. Another one is limitless drive. Another one is motivation vault. Another one is ignite your spark, elevate every day. So these are beautiful names for motivational channel. But the point is, I am not using that. So the one I'm using is something different, and that is straight to the point. So I would like to tailor this video towards that. I just do this so you understand. You can just try to turn GPT's head to what you want. Now, I would like to log in into my normal GPT so I don't have issues. So I don't want my histories to be deleted. So continue with Google. You do not need this actually. So you can just bring in your own name. So this is my channel. So I'm linking it up with GPT now. And now, this is also time wasting. So NAS. So 01012000. So continue. So after doing all these things, so you're back into this now. Now the thing is, I'm creating a YouTube channel called straight to the point. You can tell GPT about the background if you already have a name. But if you don't, you can just proceed from what you finished doing about creating a name. So I have a YouTube channel called straight to the point. So give it a little bit of background so GPT understand what you're doing. So it is used in creating content that helps people grow on YouTube. So if you have a channel you want to model against, you want to model towards that, you can actually give it. So GPT understand what you're trying to do. So like vidIQ, beautiful. Like vidIQ. vidIQ is popular. That's why I'm using vidIQ. So we have other channels that are helping people to grow on YouTube. But vidIQ is even known to GPT. So after doing this, I will need you to create some things for me about the channel. So can we start? Send. Now GPT is going to understand and it will tell you, no problem, let's go ahead. So now it says absolutely. What do you need help with for your channel? Content ideas, scripts, branding, or something else? Let me know how I can assist you. Now the thing is, what you have to do now is open up a let me call it a PDF document that I'm going to attach to the description below. Open it up and then start following the steps one by one. You don't have to use exactly the same words inside it. So let's go there. Let me open mine for example now. So yeah, here we have it now. So it says start creating from scratch, all using AI. So craft the channel. First thing is the channel name. We are done with that already. So after you need is channel logo. Note, I prefer designing by myself. So this document is not created by me. That's the fact. I think it was created by Expose YT. You can check them out as well. So they're beautiful in doing all this kind of AI stuffs. So the prompt we are going to be using here says, give me creative, simple, and unique logo ideas for a YouTube channel that features funny and chaotic story. This is because this guy is creating a channel about something funny and all. Instead, go to ChatGPT and tell it, create. So it says, give me creative, simple, unique logo ideas. So you say create logo ideas. Logo what? Logo ideas, okay, around my channel. Since we've talked about this thing with GPT before, so it's just going to create a logo idea. Send. Now, it is not creating a logo idea. Instead, it is creating a logo entirely. That is dope as well. But me, I really do not like logos created by GPT. But let's see what it brings to us. It says straight to the point. Helping creators on YouTube grow on YouTube. So you see, that's an error there. So it's actually not bad. Now, I am working with two systems. So, and the other one of my partner right here is pretty dope. But I think since we're working on this place and we're broadcasting on this place, I think we should just tell GPT to refine this. So let's see whether it is going to delete what we have right here, or maybe it is going to improve it and not leave all this kind of trash there. Although if you still want to go ahead with it, it is not bad. So no one is taking clearer look at what is written under the logo. You just have to see straight to the point, that's all. So, but let's do this. Just see, you see, this straight to the point is the name of the channel. What you have below it is the motto. So you can say, change the motto in the logo to, you can write a new one or say, or just say to a new one. So to helping creators on YouTube. So no more, no less. So let's see what it is going to do next. So, straight to the point, helping creators on YouTube. Beautiful. And that is dope. So, you can just download this now. Now, it is going to be downloaded as a browser, but you have to convert it back to what? You have to convert it back to a picture. So the question is, how do you do that? It's very simple. Open a new tab here called Canvas. Canvas. So, send. So, Canva rather. So, I mean this Canva. So, you open up this Canva. I would like to log in because I already have an account. So, the account is not here. I'll just continue with NAS. So, as if I'm creating a new one. Oh, sorry. Let me leave it that way. So, since I've actually prompted it, good. Now, what you want to do inside Canva is that you want to design yourself. Although we all know you're not doing that. So, all these things, just pick anything you like. So, all those kind of questions, forget about it. So, let's say university. So, now we are here. So, what you want to do is to create from scratch. Although we know that we do not want to design anything. So, you create design right here now. So, we like to create a YouTube logo. So you can just say logo. Beautiful. I have a logo right here. So logo. So it is creating that for us. Cool. Now what to upload? Then come to upload files. You've created something about okay, you've created the logo. So you come to your download or anywhere your file is going to be downloaded. So the name of that file is Dali something. So you can click on D. You can see I have a lot of things that I've created with this. So the last one is definitely going to be the picture. You see right here. So if you click on it, it's going to load straight to the point right here now. And now you click on it. So you can just magnify straight up. And you're done with the editing of the logo. What you have to do is just bring it out by pressing share and then download.